Hello from Curry's, and we are here, but we're not here for any old reason because there's one new ride here, which is this beast here, Cyclone 2. There were so many teasers about it, but it's finally here. This is absolutely stunning here, look at this. Just can't put into words how nice it looks in person. But yeah, we'll see. The only question is, let's see how it rides. Here we go on Owen Curry's Cyclone 2. Let's do this. New ride at Curry's for 2024. Here we go. Woo! Honestly, smooth as butter. Once you get a trim sorted out, and this is going to be one of the best Sizzlers in the UK. Oh, here we go, faster! Jesus Christ! Oh, it's brilliant. Wow! Oh, it's absolutely brilliant. Oh wait, it's slowing down. There we go. Oh, look, you can hear the motors on this. Short, but honestly brilliant once they get it sorted out. So good puff, yes. Right, so we're now on the beast, lads. Let's do it. First night ride on it, and it's got brilliant tunes. Let's go. Here we go on Owen Curry's KMG Afterburner, the beast. Here we go. Yes, here we go. Oh. Yeah! Oh, it's class! Oh! Ah! Come on! Oh! Oh, good God. Oh, that was brilliant. And Anne O'Connor's Crazy Frog. It's actually interesting after now doing Bounce Nation, but let's see how it rides. Wait! Bouncy, bouncy. Woo! It's actually got some decent speed. Wow! Oh, come on. Bye. This is so good. Nice. Oh, metal. If we went backwards. So that's Curry's now, and that was an absolutely brilliant time. Cyclone 2 was absolutely amazing. Short cycle, but forgot to mention this. Jumping Astro's got a new repaint. Hope for some more footage around Curry soon, and hopefully Cyclone 2's got some music going soon. But thank you for watching. Bye.